visit the Central Hatay Mall. Okay? So, later kakain tayo. But for now, hanapin muna natin yung gentlewoman bag. Pero hindi kaagad natin siya bibili. So, ayoko nang may bit-bit. Baga, hanapin lang natin para alam na natin kung saan siya pupuntahan. Ikot-ikot tayo and then later kakain. Okay? So, lika, tingnan natin yung loob. Let's go inside. So, there are so many checking. I don't know why. Here, no check. So, this is Uniqlo. So, hanapin natin ang Gentlewoman Boutique. So, ayan, nakikita nyo yung loob. Later. I think this only on this floor only. I don't know where. So many people here. Muji, I see the Gentlewoman.